As a company that has built its reputation on an unmatched work ethic and years of invaluable experience, GEM Service is a team of like-minded employees and partners who come together once construction is complete to keep facilities large and small running like well-oiled machines. But we're far from just another contracting company. We're different from the rest, and we pride ourselves on all the reasons why. Our service offerings include everything from HVAC to facility management and building controls to electrical services, along with ductwork and duct cleaning, facility risk and expense evaluation and utility procurement. Whether it's coordinating several different trades for one complex project or focusing solely on a single trade for a smaller task at hand, our bench strength and self-perform capabilities allow us to offer multiple construction services and contracting capabilities within our own different companies, no matter the project's size or scope. Our solutions are customized to encapsulate any and all services that you may need. Because the majority of our work is self-performed, we proudly take ownership and stand behind every task we complete. When it comes to experience, our skill sets are unrivaled. GEM Service technicians complete a thorough 5 to 7 year apprenticeship program and 40 hours of technical training every year. And because of this team of qualified technicians, we're able to offer a guaranteed response time for our contract customers. As a result of our technicians' extensive training and our project management staff, GEM Service has a comprehensive understanding of the entire built environment and building life cycle, along with all associated risks and expenses. In fact, it's that same understanding that allows our team to generate facility operational and capital budgets. Because we see the big picture, we have the knowledge to expertly complete these financial pieces of the puzzle along the way as well. From a technology standpoint, our real-time photo and video documentation with XOI software allows you as an HVAC customer to have access to a user-friendly platform to review work completed at your facility. We have additional software that allows us to track everything from refrigerant to backflow and water meter testing, project management tasking, as well as building automation repairs and replacements. As an FM customer, our new FMX work order management software makes it even easier for you to communicate what you need and when you need it, all with a few simple selections of your computer or mobile device. Finally, our robust vendor network provides multiple places for us to acquire replacement parts, new equipment, and subcontracted services as necessary. This is a significant benefit for you, as it allows you to receive the best, most competitive prices around, and the fastest access to any parts needed for repairs. So why GEM Service? Because of our bench strength and self-perform capabilities, our experience and our technology, and our robust vendor network. Even on their own, these capabilities make all the difference for you and your facility. But collectively, they make us who we are. A company that serves its communities well and stands out among the crowd. For more information, visit rlgbuilds.com/GEM Service.